Hey everyone, it's Rhino415. I'm here with a Stephen Curry sneaker video. I haven't made one of these in over a year, and I just wanted to film because I picked up recently the Curry back-to-back MVP pack, which was re-released last week. It originally came out in 2016 when Steph Curry won back-to-back MVPs, and he was the first unanimous MVP. So I didn't pick up the pack back then. I was able to get it now from Under Armour. So let me take the box out of the packaging. Before I get started, just wanted to say if you're a huge Stephen Curry fan and a Warriors fan, check out my channel. I have a lot of Stephen Curry and Warriors fan cam videos, as well as Stephen Curry and Warriors jersey unboxing videos. So this is a really nice box. It reminds me of the Jordan retro packs that were coming out in 2008 when I was growing up. Here you get the Stephen Curry logo. Here's the Under Armour logo. And then here's the front of the box. I got these in a size 10, like I said, from the Under Armour website. So let's start first with the Curry Retro 1. Here are the Curry 1s. These are really nice. Stephen Curry first wore these during the 14-15 championship season. So here's the side of the shoe. What I like on this side is the gold Under Armour logo. It reminds me of the MVP trophies, the championship trophies. And then you get the black and white script here with different mottos. And it's really cool how that fades in to the white here on the front of the shoe. So on the front, you get 413, which I believe is a reference to Philippians 4:13, which is one of Steph Curry's favorite Bible verses. I don't know if you can see the tongue. It has the logo on there. So again, coming to the side, you get the charged foam on the midsole and then the black and white pattern here. When you come to the back of the shoe, this is really cool too. It has the, the SC30 logo in gold. And then on the back of the tongue, let's see if you can see that, it says, "I can do all things." And then here's the inner part of the shoe, and then the bottom of the shoe. So I think I really like this shoe more than the Curry 2 in this pack, the colorway specifically. And I'll talk more about the Curry 2 in a minute, but I really like this colorway. So let me know what you guys think, and I'm going to get the Curry 2s out now. All right, so here's the Curry 2 Retro. This is my favorite shoe of the Curry line because the last time I was really playing competitive basketball, I wore the Curry 2s back in 2016. So these actually look a lot better in person than they did online. So again, here's the side of the shoe. Like the Curry one, you get the gold Under Armour logo, and then you get the black here fading into the gold coming on the front of the shoe. Going back to the side of the shoe, you get the speckled print here, and then you get the charged foam gold and the black on the bottom of the shoe. What I wanted to point out, what was really cool about the front of the shoe, this is the left pair here. I hope you can see this. It says MVP on the left shoe on the tongue here, while on the right pair it has the SC30 logo. So that's the front of the shoe, side of the shoe. Here's the back of the shoe, this side of the shoe, and then the bottom. So just to show the right pair on the tongue, it says SC30. This is probably my favorite feature in the whole shoe here is this MVP. Thank you to everyone for watching this video. It's been a pleasure to watch Steph Curry play his whole career. He's one of the greatest NBA players ever, and I'm just really glad I got to add this pack to my collection. So let me know in the comments which pair you like better. Let me know if there's a particular Curry shoe that you like, and please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and I'm going to keep posting more Warriors content, more Steph Curry content. So again, thank you to everyone for watching.